and soothing music playing in the background. Narrator, are you tired of clutter taking over your bedroom? Do you wish you had more storage space without sacrificing style and comfort? Introducing the Aliwa King Size Lift-Up Storage Bed, the perfect solution to all your storage needs while adding a touch of modern elegance to your bedroom. Emphasizing its sleek design and spacious storage compartment. Narrator, the Aliwa King Size Lift-Up Storage Bed is designed for those who value both style and functionality in their furniture. Whether you're a busy professional looking to declutter your living space, or a parent trying to keep your child's room organized, this bed is a game changer. Lift mechanism in action, highlighting how easy it is to access the storage compartment. Narrator, one of the key features of the Aliwa bed is its hydraulic support system, which allows you to effortlessly lift up the mattress to access the spacious storage compartment underneath. Say goodbye to bulky storage bins and hello to a seamless and stylish solution for all your storage needs. Showcasing its luxurious design and comfortable padding. Narrator, the modern wingback headboard not only adds a touch of sophistication to your bedroom, but also provides a comfortable backrest for late-night reading or watching your favorite show. Versatility of the Aliwa bed in various home decor styles. Narrator, whether you prefer a minimalist Scandinavian look or a cozy farmhouse aesthetic, the Aliwa bed seamlessly complements any style of decor. Its neutral light beige color allows for easy integration into your existing bedroom furniture, making it a versatile and timeless piece. With a traditional bed frame and storage solutions. Narrator, when compared to traditional bed frames and storage solutions, the Aliwa King Size Lift-Up Storage Bed stands out for its innovative design, maximizing both storage space and comfort without the need for a box spring. Say goodbye to cluttered closets and hello to a more organized and relaxing space. Benefited from using the Aliwa bed, highlighting their positive experiences. Narrator, customers rave about the convenience and style of the Aliwa bed. From storing extra bedding and seasonal clothes to keeping toys and books out of sight, this bed has transformed their bedrooms into organized and peaceful retreats. Beautifully styled bedroom setting. Narrator, don't let clutter overwhelm your bedroom. Upgrade to the Aliwa King Size Lift-Up Storage Bed today and experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and comfort. Say hello to a more organized and beautiful bedroom with Aliwa bed on Amazon. Narrator, click the link below to order your Aliwa King Size Lift-Up Storage Bed now. Your dream bedroom awaits.